The DSR-1 sniper rifle, designed by German company DSR Precision, is a remarkable blend of cutting-edge technology and precision engineering. With its unique bullpup configuration, it significantly reduces overall length while maintaining exceptional accuracy. First introduced in the late 1990s, the rifle integrated advanced materials like aluminum alloy and polymer, making it lightweight yet durable. It's been used by elite units around the world, showcasing its precision in varied combat scenarios. From its inception to its role in modern battlefields, the DSR-1 stands as a testament to the evolution of sniper technology and innovation.